Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to study question number 1 of practice set 2.4 of chapter 2 real numbers of standard 9. Question number 1 is multiply. Here square root of 3 in bracket square root of 7 minus square root of 3 means this is monomial by binomial surds. We have to multiply it. Let's write given numbers as it is. Square root of 3 it is multiplied by in bracket square root of 7 minus square root of 3 is equal to, now here we have to multiply by square root of 3 to the whole bracket. First by square root of 3 to square root of 7. Square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 7. I do here bracket. After that sign minus, and now square root of 3 to this. Square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is equal to, now here these are like surds, orders are same, that's why they are like, we can multiply them. Square root of 7 3s are 21 minus here square root of 3 3s are 9. Square root of 21 minus this is perfect square root of 9 is 3, and this is the answer. This is the product of this. Example number 2. Square root of 5 minus square root of 7 bracket close multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to, now again same, this is monomial by binomial. First multiply these two surds. Square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 2 bracket close, sign minus here, and now second term by this square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to square root of 5 2s are 10 minus square root of 14, 7 2s are. This is the product. Example number 3. This is binomial by binomial. Let's see the solution. First bracket 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 3 multiplied by 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to, now first multiply by 3 square root of 2 to the whole bracket. Second bracket 3 square root of 2 multiplied by 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2, second bracket. After that minus square root of 3 multiplied by again second bracket 4 square root of 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to, now this is monomial by binomial. Let's solve this. 3 square root of 2 multiplied by 4 square root of 3, first bracket, sign minus. Now second bracket 3 square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Now second minus square root of 3 multiplied by 4 square root of 3 minus, and this minus plus square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to, let's multiply now rational numbers and irrational numbers. 3 4s are 12, square root of 3 2s are 6 minus 3 here 1 rational number, 3 1s are 3 multiplied by square root of here 2 2s are 4 minus here also 4 1s are 4 multiplied by square root of 3 into square root of 3 square root of 9 plus square root of 3 2s are 6. 12 square root of 6 minus 3 multiplied by 4 is perfect square root of 4 is 2 minus 4 multiplied by 9 is also perfect square root of 9 is 3 plus square root of 6 as it is equal to 12 square root of 6 minus here product 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12 plus square root of 6 is equal to, now 12 root 6 plus 1 root 6, we get 13 root 6, and here minus 6 minus 12 minus 18, and this is the product of this. Dear friends, question number 2 is rationalize the denominator. Here denominator is square root of 7 plus square root of 2, means pair is there, and we have to rationalize this pair. Solution: 1 upon square root of 7 plus square root of 2. Now we solve here. In solution, I write again given fraction as it is, square root of 7 plus square root of 2. Now here multiply and divide by conjugate pair of this, conjugate pair, and we get conjugate pair by changing the middle sign. If you change this sign, that will be the conjugate pair of this, and multiply and divide by conjugate pair of this. Here is plus, conjugate pair will be minus square root of 2, and divide also, multiply and divide by conjugate pair. Here bracket I write, is equal to, now product 1 multiplied by this bracket as it is, square root of 7 minus square root of 2 upon, now here you see in the denominator square root of 7 plus square root of 2, second bracket square root of 7 minus square root of 2. Here we have to expand this. Formula is a plus b, second bracket a minus b is equal to, and expansion is a square minus b square, means first term square minus second term square. Signs are opposite, plus minus, and therefore here in expansion minus. Here also you see square root of 7 square root of 7, means first term is same, square root of 2 square root of 2, second term is also same. Signs are opposite, that's why we have to use this formula, means expansion, first term square minus second term square. Then what is first term here? Square root of 7 bracket square minus compulsory square root of second second term square root of 2 bracket square, square root of 2 bracket square, a square minus b square, square root of 7 minus square root of 2 upon, now we know squares, square of root 7 itself, minus square root of 2 itself, is equal to, now last answer, square root of 7 minus square root of 2 divided by or upon 7 minus 2, 5. And in denominator we got rational number, we rationalized the denominator now. Example number 2, 3 upon 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 2 is equal to, in solution let's write the given fraction as it is, 3 upon 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 2, multiply and divide by conjugate pair of this, change the middle sign, 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2. Here also same, 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2, multiplied and divided, multiply and divide by conjugate pair. Here also I write bracket, is equal to, now product 3 in bracket 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 2 divided by, and here expansion, first term square minus second term square, a square minus b square. First term is 2 square root of 5 bracket square minus second term 3 square root of 2 bracket square. We wrote expansion, a plus b first one bracket, a minus b second bracket is equal to a square minus b square, means first term square minus second term square is equal to, let's multiply here by 3, 3 2s are 6 square root of 5 plus 3 3s are 9 square root of 2 upon, now here square of this, square of 2 4 and square of this 5, 4 5s are 20, square of 2 4, square of this 5, 4 5s are 20, minus square of 3 9, square of this 2, 9 2s are 18, is equal to 6 square root of 5 plus 9 square root of 2 upon 20 minus 18, 2. 2 is rational number, that's why denominator is rationalized here. Example number 4. Square root of 5 minus square root of 3 upon square root of 5 plus square root of 3, multiply and divide by conjugate pair of the denominator, not of numerator, of denominator. Square root of 5 minus square root of 3 upon same square root of 5 minus square root of 3 is equal to, I put these terms in bracket. Now in numerator you see both brackets are same, a minus b, both brackets are same, that's why square of them, square root of 5 minus square root of 3 bracket square upon, and in the denominator expansion, a square minus b square, first term square minus second term square is equal to, now here we have to use formula, expansion of a minus b bracket square, you know, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of this, means first term square sign minus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus second term square square root of 3 bracket square upon here square root of 5 square 5 itself minus square root of 3 bracket square means 3 itself is equal to, here also square root of 5 square means 5 minus 2 square root of 5 3s are 15 plus square root of 3 bracket square means 3 upon 5 minus 3 2 is equal to, last step 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 square root of 15 upon 2. Now here again one more step we can write, we can take common here, here is 8 and here is 2, we can write 2 common in bracket. If we take 2 common from here, then 4 are in the bracket minus 2 is out already, common, square root of 15 bracket close divided by 2 and is equal to, here 2 gets cancelled, therefore answer is 4 minus square root of 15 and here upon 1 is there, means this denominator is rationalized.